birds. Now let's say hello to the animals that fly in the air. They are called birds, and they have this wonderful gift from God. They can move very fast in the air on their wings. This is called flying. Imagine flying free like a bird. It would be just awesome. Let's take a look now at some of these amazing creatures, shall we? Chicken. I did say that birds can fly, right? Well, not all of them are good at it. The chicken is one of them. It can only fly for a very short distance. It eats grain and comes in many colors. Chicken are eaten by many people around the world. Crow. Meet the clever crow, folks. It is a medium-sized black bird with a strong beak. It eats many things and can live almost anywhere. When it speaks, it sounds like this. Caw, caw. Duck. The duck is another bird that can fly and swim on water too. People also have ducks for dinner sometimes. It has a cute beak like Donald Duck. And when it is happy, it says quack, quack. Eagle. This is a large, majestic bird. It has sharp, curved nails called claws. It also has a sharp hook-like beak. It uses all these sharp parts to catch and eat smaller animals and birds. Flamingo. The flamingo is a beautiful pink-colored bird. It looks very long and thin. When it stands up, it is one of the tallest of birds. It has a long beak to help it catch fish. It can't swim, but it walks easily in shallow waters. Flamingos also fly long distance around the world. Owl. The owl is a medium-sized bird. It normally hunts by night. It too has a sharp, hooked beak and claws. It also eats other small animals and birds for dinner. It has two cute, sleepy eyes that are very big. It can see and hear very well. It makes a noise that sounds like this. Peacock. The peacock has one of the most beautiful feathers seen on birds. It has a long tail and can't fly for long distances. The male peacock has a wonderful dark blue color that shines like a jewel. Sparrow. The sparrow is a small bird that normally eats grain. It doesn't fly long distances and uses its small wings to change directions quickly when it flies. Swan. One of the most graceful birds is called the swan. Just look at its long, elegant neck and graceful body. Its strong wings help it fly long distances like an aeroplane. This beautiful bird is normally pure white in color. It can swim well on water. Vulture. The vulture is an unusual bird. It is one of the wonderful cleaners of nature. It eats leftover animal parts that other animals have killed. It can even eat spoiled food and not fall sick. Imagine that! It has a long neck without any feathers on its neck or head.